Oracle software, how to handle database system on internet, how to find some data, how to create a table, how to put data in our table, and so on and so on. First of all, let's zoom it. Okay, here first of all we have to create some table, and then here I write down some table to tell you actually how this works. Okay, you can know by yourself how it works if you understand what exactly happened if you write this types of information on your Oracle Database Express edition. Okay, so let's clear nothing. Let's first of all create table item number, primary key, name, virtual, unit rate. What is it, right? First of all, what is it, this create table? We'll discuss this later. First of all, let's create a table. How to create a table, right? In your data table. Okay, so just some source of information that you can gather together in one one memory location, right? All set of data you will gather one memory location. So you need to have a data table that can put your all data into that table, isn't it? So we are creating a table which is called SIAM. It's a table name, and what sort of information in our table? There is a name, there is a ID, there is a job, and there is a salary. Okay, there is four column. One column is name, one column is ID, one column is job, and one column is for salary. So what's this virtual and virtual and the number? What is this, right? It is nothing but a variable character. Okay, variable character. Yes, R is mean number. So 24 means the length of your character or your variable character. Okay, number same as 10 and same as this job voucher and same as a number. How many digits you can put in your data? Like 14 you can put here, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 14. Okay, and so on. So first create table sign. Let's run this. Look at this. Name is already used by an existing object, so we are creating this table before, so it's showing that this is already been taken, this name. Okay, existing. So let's describe it. Okay, so it shows us a table. This table been created in our database. Okay, which is table name is okay, which sign, column name, ID and job. Okay, name, ID and job all are some row information. So what type of data type it is? It is a vector data type. Length, what type of length? Is 10, right? Here is length, name is 10. Why it is showing 10? Virtual type and 10 and virtual 12. Why it is showing length 12 and number why is showing 11, right? We'll discuss it in our next topic, why it is. First of all, you need to understand that this is length is 24, 10, 10 and 40. Here is missing. Okay, precision just nothing but length of number. Okay, scale primary key, we didn't say anything in here to show any primary key. Default comment, if there is any comment or default. So next we are trying to insert. Now our table being created, we are now we want to put some value in our table. How to do that, right? So if you want to put some value in your table, you have to write insert into table name values and by sequence of your row. Okay, what is your row? Name, id, job and salary. So I checked my name as Siam, I checked my id as this, and I checked my job as student, and I checked my salary is 0 because I am a student right now, so I don't have any income source, so it has to be 0, right? So let's run this. What will happen? Too many values, right? Too many values. Okay, let's run this. Select star manage all sort of information from your data table. Best statistics means, so from science mean all data. So run it. No data found. There is no data in your table. Why is it? Because we inserted this. Too many values means what? We insert some value. So why should? Okay, we'll understand. No data found. So let's insert again. Insert into science values Mahadi, another student name and id, his job and his salary. Let's run this. Too many values, right? It says same thing. Let's run this. Okay, no data value. Okay, do you know why? Because we changed our length. Okay, we changed our length, so that's why bigger the length is, the shorter the. So this showing too many values, right? Too many values means the capacity we have is overflow our memory. So that's why this can't handle this address, this variable address, name and salary, whatever you want to say. So we have to change our this length, right? So how to do that? Order table, we are adding another another row in our table. So add blood group or virtue. So how it is work? Let's see. Table alter, right? So now you can show that no data found. Let's describe it. So describe is showing us right now blood group virtue 6, which is we declare here, right? So we want to add multiple row in our table. So how you do that? We will do like this: study group and parent virtue. Okay, let's run this table alter and let's describe it. And that's why here is our study group and a parent row, each virtue is 8 and 6. Next, what we will see? We will see. No, we don't want to. Here it's dropping this parent column. Okay, parent column, it will drop this. Then alter table, some add parent. Again we are adding the same, we are deleting this information and we are adding again. So we will not show it here right now. Select from SIM, alter tables and modify. Here here why our data is too many values showing in our previous uh, runtime error. We saw that, right? So alter tables and modify, we can modify our salary number to 30. Let's see what will salary. Okay, invalid identifier. So here salary couldn't understand what is salary. Why? Because we tell it here as a salary, and we tell it here salary as well. So what's actually modify salary number? Yeah, alter tables and modify salary number is equal to 30. Invalid identifier. So why invalid identifier? I don't know. This is a problem, right? We'll see after. Is there any solution for this in our data table, right? So this, I write a lot of things in here. You will face a lot of variety of problem in your database. So I write all. I tried to write all, but there something more you can find in your dictionary or your research, right? You can find. So I will show here some type of problem. There is a one kind of problem, right, which tells us that salary is invalid identifier. Let's alter table, modify blood group and the parent birth chart. Let's see what this call. This is calling that table altered. So right now where our study group was 8, virtual the length was 8 and parent virtual length was 6. Right now the blood group and blood group virtual was 6, and it has increased by double, right? 6 to 12 and parent 6 to 66. So it's order. Let's describe it. Let's get this table right now. So it's modified, right? This modified. So this sort of information you can handle your database. If you have any problem, you can handle this situation. How? Just go and write this sort of information in your database. Uh, this will solve your issues. Okay. Okay, next we are updating sign said. Okay, we are putting what? We are putting value into update in our set blood group O positive. So it will put was updated, right? Right. So if you describe it, what will show you? It is show you a blood group and O positive. For who? There is no one, right? Let's run this. Okay, not enough values, right? We have to modify these values again. Let's see again. Run this. Then object. Okay, let's modify my drop table will delete your whole table. Select from some rollback will just you have to auto commit. This will okay, updates and group. No, this type of problem you can handle right now. I will try to set a lot of things in my after videos to handle more problems and more solution, and to handle every single things. Oh, here is a one exercise for us. Here create table item non-number primary key, which is declaring a primary key name voucher app unit price number. Let's run this one. Let's run this. Okay, run. Okay, name is already used by name because we are run this before. So this table being created in our database. So let's describe this. So this is our table name, which is item. item has item known, name, unit price, and order known. So this sort of information, look, 10 is 10, precision virtual 10 is this number, so 10 virtual 10 number 8 and number, this is number, this is number. So that's it. This sort of information you have to understand. Okay, that's it. Then you are good to go.